I'm Michelle Kinley. I am the marketing manager for American Crane and Equipment Corporation. We're located in Douglasville, Pennsylvania. Our partnership with Blues has allowed us to take our products and really show how much we can innovate and help our customers. We can be a good partner in the creation of our MachineHealth monitoring device. That can be with any piece of equipment. Cranes are our heart and our business. We are manufacturers of overhead lifting equipment. So the SmartCrane technology, that's our baby. That started it all. We really just hope to be able to bring solutions, predictive health maintenance, remote monitoring, and data and analytics to our customers. So they have real-time data and not a lot of time spent trying to figure out what that data is. You've all heard the term data and knowledge is power. Access to that data is going to help them predict when maintenance is necessary. It's going to help alleviate problems before they happen so that we can be more proactive instead of reactive. For our customers, that could mean a lot of downtime, and that's what we're trying to save them. We want to help them keep running and also make it a very smart and connected way for them to access the data from their equipment. We have a multitude of different customers and different industries that they work with, and their problems range from very simple to very complex. And by utilizing this technology, we're able to bridge that gap and help them solve problems themselves. Working with Blues Wireless has really enabled us to take this technology and make it affordable and accessible to small and medium-sized businesses, which is really awesome because that allows that innovation to be shared by a greater number of people and a greater number of businesses.